Clara Southern was born 3 October 1860, died 15 December 1940. He was an Australian artist associated with the Heidelberg School, also known as Australian Impressionism. She was active between the years 1883 and her death in 1940. Physically, Southern was tall with reddish fair hair, and was nicknamed Panther because of her lithe beauty. She had established an artistic community of younger landscape painters at Warrandyte, a township on the Yarra about 30 kilometres from Melbourne. The community included Penleigh and Herbert. Her teacher and mentor Walter Withers often visited her in Warrandyte to paint the landscape. At one point she was regarded as the eminent female landscape artist in Melbourne. Southern was a member of the Victorian Artists Society, the Australian Artists Association, the Melbourne Society of Women Painters and Sculptors, the 20 Melbourne Painters, and the Lyceum Club, paving the way for women's involvement in the arts. Southern was one of the first women to be elected to the Buonarotti Society, and the first female member of the Australian Artists Association.